everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today is August 18 and namiss kong magluto ng namiss kong kumain ng puso ng saging na may gata. So today this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna cook it for lunch. So let's prepare the ingredients, guys. Okay, so I'll see you later. Ingredients, guys: puso ng saging, bell pepper, red bell pepper, onions, garlic, lemongrass, salt and pepper, and olive oil. And this is the coconut that I need to make as a coconut cream. Lemongrass, garlic, onions, chili pepper, bell pepper, banana heart or puso ng saging, salt and pepper, and olive oil. These are all the ingredients, guys, for our ginataang puso ng saging or banana heart. While boiling, we put the lemongrass, so it would be tasty. I'm waiting. I have time to talk to myself. I mean to you guys. Oh my god. So much. Nothing I did. Nothing I did is ECQ. All I do is eat. So haggard. Oh my god, look. This is the hands or the fingernails of a very hardworking lady, guys. No time for manicure. And it's because I'm cooking cooking every day for the food that I sell. See, that's what happened to my hands. Oh my God! I'm so excited to my ginataang puso ng saging, guys. Okay, with the tuyo. So, look, if you see, as you can see, I am so hungry because I've been running around all day. I went to the market and then I went to the grocery, and now look at me. I need to sleep. I look so tired. Oh my God, pimples is real. Vitamins. Love vitamins to make my pimples go away.
20 minutes later.
Guys, so let's have lunch. Use hands because the tuyo. See you again on my next video. Bye!